Technology is changing how Newark industries operate, and it's transforming the local business landscape. Electronics manufacturing, industrial automation, logistics, and smart energy are all leaning on technology to stay competitive. As Hitesh Patel, CEO of WPG Consulting, says, digital transformation is no longer optional. It's the backbone of modern industrial success. Modern solutions like IoT-enabled machinery, smart sensors, and cloud platforms are helping companies monitor production, predict maintenance needs, and reduce downtime. Even small delays in manufacturing or logistics can cost thousands of dollars per hour, so efficiency and reliability are critical. Meanwhile, cybersecurity is more important than ever, keeping intellectual property, customer data, and operational systems safe from constant threats. Companies like PSEG, Hercules Engineered Products, Broadridge Financial Solutions, and Newark Electronics show how embracing technology improves production, logistics, and business operations. Using managed services providers, businesses gain continuous monitoring, proactive issue resolution, and predictable costs, while freeing their teams to focus on growth instead of IT headaches. By integrating automation, cloud computing, and security best practices, Newark industries are not just keeping up, they're innovating faster, cutting costs, and scaling smarter. Technology is now a central driver of productivity and growth, and partnering with the right experts ensures that businesses stay ahead in this competitive, tech-driven landscape. If you want to learn more, check out the full article on our website, and don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist for easy access anytime.